Hi everyone, so in today's video we are going to be making this delicious and nutritious spicy pepper soup. So for the spices you're going to need garlic. We have garlic, ginger, pepper, because you know this is spicy so it needs to have enough pepper. You can skip the pepper if you like or just add less. We have oregano, basil, thyme and rosemary, and palm oil. We also have onions. Now, I know some persons may not like fresh garlic, but if you do not want to use fresh garlic, feel free to use garlic powder. The rest of the ingredients include salt to taste. Ground nutmeg is actually optional. We have gizzard. I have 1 pound of gizzard. You can substitute this gizzard for fish, beef, cow skin, whatever protein you prefer. And last but not the least, the most important spice, we have the African Peppersoup spice. I'm going to add our gizzard. Then I'm going to add in the spices. So we have basil, oregano, thyme, and rosemary. We're also going to be adding palm oil and the rest of the spices. Remember, so right now we have the garlic, ginger, pepper and onions. Remember, if you do not want to use fresh garlic, feel free to actually use the dried garlic. So I'm just going to mix this up. There's one important thing you're forgetting. If you remember it, let me know. Just leave a comment on the most important thing we're forgetting in this recipe. Have you commented? Alright. So what we're going to add, the African Peppersoup spice to it. Stir it up and mix it properly. Then we're going to add our salt. Add in a cup of water. So once we're done mixing, I'm going to add in an additional cup of water. We're going to let this boil. Check back in the next, as soon as once the gizzard is soft, then we'll check this back. So I want you to leave a comment below and let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. So this is the finished product and we have this delicious pepper soup. Enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Do take care and God bless.